Hello. On 12th February, Bangladesh will hold its 13th national vote. This is an important day for the country and its people. Voting is not just putting a paper in a box, it is the way citizens share their voice. It shows what kind of future they want for Bangladesh. Still, many people wonder whether their vote really makes a difference. The 13th vote reminds us that democracy needs care, honesty, and active participation. Every citizen has a right and a duty to take part in this process. What happens on 12 February 2026 will shape Bangladesh for the coming years.